Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy stocks on FXTM. And the first thing that I need to tell you that you need a level 2 account right here on the MetaTrader 5. Because if we go right here to symbols and we select right here United States stocks and we go for example to, it doesn't matter, let's call something, maybe we go a little bit up. Let's say we want to trade Adobe. Then we click here on show symbol and then we do OK. And now we have it standing right here. And now if we throw this right here to the chart, you will see right here the charts of Adobe. But then now what we're going to do is we click here on new order. And now if you can see, if we go right here to symbols, you see that we can only trade crypto, spot metals or Forex because we are having a level 1 account. But if you want to buy this, now I can show you, for example, how it works with gold. Now, then you see exactly this screen. And then here in the top, you will find, your stock. So for now, Adobe. Then select right here how much you want to buy. And then simply click right here on buy market. And then you created yourselves a position right here for the stock. I can buy the stock right now because I'm a level 1 trader. So you see right here your achievements. So do some trades, close some trades, and then you will earn points. And when you're level 2, you can buy stocks. So this is how you can buy stocks right here on FXTM. This is maybe not the video where I was looking for, but hopefully I could help you out by telling you how to get a stock. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day and ciao.